Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida has been on my radar for quite some time, and last month I finally got a chance to go, and I gotta admit, this place is pretty awesome. When we left for Tampa, there was snow in the forecast, but when we got there, it was 84 degrees. The first coaster I want to talk to you about is SheiKra, a dive coaster built by B&M. And I've got the chance to ride two other dive coasters, Val Raven at Cedar Point and the Griffin at Busch Gardens in Williamsburg, Virginia. Dive coasters are pretty cool because after you go up the lift hill and then you get to the first drop, well, let me just show you. Now that was great, but the main reason we came to Busch Gardens Tampa was for Cobra's Curse. My daughter got a chance to ride Fire Chaser Express from Dollywood and she loved it. The problem is, if you're under 48 inches tall, most of the time you just get left out. Cobra's Curse fixes this.
I find it hard to not give
In the next two rides I want to show you, Falcon's Fury and Cheetah Hunt. Tell me this ain't two of the coolest looking rides you've ever seen. In my top 10 best coasters ever ridden video, I put Afterburn from Carowinds at number 10. And it's a good thing I finished that video before I rode this, because I love the Zero G roll and I love a coaster that can pack a good punch. And this one packs a great punch. My son always tells me, "Dad, when I ride a flying coaster and I stick my feet straight out, I'm the happiest person in the world." Well, son, me too. So if that don't make you want to go to Busch Gardens Tampa, just remember, they're about to open a launch coaster called Tigress, and they just announced that in 2020, they will have a RMC hybrid coaster that is going to be the tallest, the steepest, and the fastest hybrid coaster in America. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to click that subscribe button. And also go and check out my top 10 coasters I've ever ridden. Thanks, and have a good one.